Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're in the bathroom. We are going to be doing the before I work out skincare routine. I'm going to show you guys what I do for my skin, and I'm also going to put on makeup because I have been filming with makeup on every day. So I'm going to show you guys the makeup that I use. Shout out to Callie for requesting this video in the community tab. If you guys have video requests, leave them in the community tab and I will create the videos for you. It's a nice little change up from working out all the time so we can get more personal. Let's get started. So if you guys haven't noticed, this is a different bathroom. Definitely not better than my first bathroom in my last apartment, but it's okay. The setup is strange and I hate the fact that there is the tub in the shower, not my style at all, but I haven't been taking any baths. Teardrop. And the toilet is right there. Not that you care, but we're gonna go through this. The toilet is there, so when you open the door, the toilet and the door like hitting, which is really weird. And the lighting isn't that good in here. I'm just so biased because my last bathroom was so beautiful. I'm getting sad thinking about it. But we are gonna do skincare first. So I'm gonna show you guys how I wash my face and then, let me just do it. Let's stop talking. To start off, let's put this hair up in a scrunchie just so we don't get it all wet and nasty. So now I've tied it back and this is what I wash my face with. It's really simple skincare. You guys know I used to do makeup videos before I decided to be a fitness girl, which is just so much more me, honestly. And I'm so happy that I switched over. But I did figure out some really good stuff for my skin. Right now my skin is going through its own thing. You guys know it always does its own thing. I'm not even worried about it because it's gonna be that time of the month, so things get a little bit hectic around this time. So I use the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Gel Cleanser. This is for normal skin. I have oily skin, but it has a nice salicylic acid in it, so it helps my skin dry out a little bit, but I don't let my skin dry out because I cleanse with this and then I moisturize right after with this daily moisturizer. These are super simple, affordable Target products. It's really easy. There's not very many ingredients. Well, that's a lie. They got a ton of ingredients in them, but you know, it's easy for my skin and it kind of just maintains itself. So I'm gonna wash with this first. Face is washed. I leave it slightly damp and then I just put a little bit of lotion, like this much. And I like to rub it into my hands first. So I don't actually get all of the heavy lotion on my face. I'll rub it into my hands first and then I'll kind of just put the residue on my face. And that way my face isn't consumed with lotion. I just find that since I have oily skin, I need lotion. So I don't overproduce oils, but I don't need as much. So I just like to rub it into my hands first. So it's kind of not as thick on my skin. And then the dampness just helps trap the moisture on my face. And that is my skincare. Okay, so I'll let this dry a little bit and just set into the skin, nice and easy. And then from here, we're going to take the makeup and put the makeup on. Oh, also I like to lotion my neck a little bit, but not too much because we're gonna work out. This is before the workout, so try not to get too lotiony and too glammed up. It's not that serious. Next, we're gonna take this beauty blender and wet the beauty blender till it's nice and, it's not soaking wet, but you know, just damp. Foundation, I'm using the Dior Forever Skin Glow. If my camera wants to show you. Anyway, this is so full coverage and you know, I don't know what the ingredients are because they're not on this bottle, but it doesn't even matter to me, honey, because it covers my skin so nicely. I'm obsessed. So I'll start here on the lower part of my cheek and I'll just work my way up and in. Okay, so that's it for the foundation. I look like a ghost, right? It's way too light because I'm getting my tan on, period. But now I'm gonna take this, it's Givenchy, however you say it, and this is their color correcting setting powder. So if you look here, it has different colors. It's like orange, light orange, dark orange, purple, and a green color. And when you mix them, it has like this, oh, I wish I could show you, but it's a loose powder. Anyway, it's like this random colors all mixed together like the rainbow. And I take this little pad, get it together, camera, and I'm going to just powder it into my skin so that the foundation doesn't move. I'm telling you, I had the Dior Forever face powder, the pack-in powder. That was great. But this is next level because it literally color corrects and does everything for you. So I take it on the corner and I put it underneath my eyes first so that I don't get any crinkles in the makeup. You know, fix that first. And then from here, I just put it on the whole puff and just pat it on my skin. This is the mirror here, so that's why I'm looking this way. It's just a little hard to do my makeup in the camera viewfinder. And yeah, don't forget the forehead. Oh, it's all over me. It's all over me. I'm making a mess of myself. Okay, that's okay. You guys know me. I'm not tripping. And so now you literally just let this sit for like 5 seconds and it just melts into your skin and locks in the foundation so good. And then your skin is like flawless. Oh, flawless. I do take a Q-tip and I lick it. You can use the sink. And I just take the powderiness off my brows because, you know, these brows gotta shine. They are so pretty. And then I also take the powder off of my lips. They have like this powdery around the edges and I just don't want that because when I'm working out and like sweating, it gets like crusty. Girls know what I'm talking about. Like when you sweat or like when you're doing physical activity or you're talking a lot and you have powdery lips from your makeup, it builds like this white like buildup and that's not cute. So clean that off. Boom. And now it looks like I have some type of lip gloss on, but honey, it's natural. Then I'm going to take this mascara. I did have the YSL Extreme, haven't been able to find it, but this is super nice and it's from Target. It's called the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Carbon Black and it's not waterproof because that one will literally destroy your eyelashes. It's so good, but you can't get it off your eyelashes and you have to scrub so much they fall out. No, not today. So I don't really curl my eyelashes when I'm working out because I want them to look a little bit more natural. I'm not trying to like, I don't know, fan my lashes or anything crazy. So I'll just add a little bit of mascara here in like a really natural way. Let the eyelashes fall and do their thing. And I won't put any mascara on the bottom lashes just because I'm gonna work out. And usually if it's not waterproof mascara, your sweat will make your mascara run, and if it's on the bottom lashes, they're already so small anyway, you're gonna end up with like the black ring underneath your eyes. This is it. This is my workout look. Skincare plus makeup. Oh, one last thing. I like to make sure my eyebrows stay sleeked, so I take this clear mascara, it's Maybelline, and I just like to brush them into position. It's kind of like a hairspray for your brows because it just makes them stick so good. And I just like to brush them up and then I'll brush them down. I used to be obsessed with the soap brow look, but for me, my eyebrows are already very naturally thick and nice. When I do that, I start looking like Wolverine. It just doesn't look very good on me. And that's it, guys. This is my before workout skincare and makeup. I look completely the same. Yeah, pretty much the same. And yeah, it's nice and easy, quick. This is what I do. I wear makeup because, you know, I'm recording. This is, I don't know, it just makes me feel more beautiful. And you know, you don't have to wear makeup. I used to not wear makeup because I really don't care about wearing makeup and working out all the time. But now I'm like, okay, I feel more girly and it's just nice, I guess. That's my routine. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Shout out to Callie for the suggestion. And if you're ready to work out, I'm gonna leave some workouts here on the screen for you guys. Get a workout in. I'll see you guys in those videos. If you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Click your notification bell so you can work out with me and train every day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.